Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to dropship on Depop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Dropshipping on Depop is technically possible, but it's not officially supported and comes with a serious risks and ethical concerns. Depop is a peer-to-peer marketplace primarily made for selling second-hand, handmade or unique fashion items, not mass-produced goods. However, if you are still curious, then what you can do is first understand the Depop's policy. Depop discourages reselling mass products items from suppliers like AliExpress, Shein or Amazon unless they are vintage or upcycled. You may get banned or shadow banned for violating community guidelines. So if you still want to try, then what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, then tap on the 3 horizontal bar, and here what you need to do is you'll be seeing an option that says selling. Simply tap on start selling on Depop. Now here, create an account and set up your shop with a fashion forward brand style. Focus on niche like jewelry or tech accessories, then source products, list the items on Depop, and then handle the order when someone buys an item, and have a good customer service. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.